Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to the online class. So in the previous class we have discussed regarding the soil and the soil formation, right? So today we are going to discuss types of soil, then soil erosion, soil conservation. Please open page number 46. Page number 46. So chapter number is 6 and the chapter name is soil, okay? Open your textbook everyone. So please read it the first line, okay? So today we are going to we are focusing on types of soil, then soil erosion, then soil conservation. Okay, so today we are going to understand what are the 3 points, okay? Types of soil, soil erosion, soil conservation. So under types of soil we are going to see 3 points. First, sandy soil, second, loamy soil, and third one is clay soil. And the soil erosion is basically means removal of soil, and here soil conservation means protection of soil. Okay, so this is a short, okay, point on those particular topics. Okay, now we'll start the first topics, types of soil. Types of soil. The first is sandy soil. Okay, sandy soil. Look at your textbook and please read it. Sandy soil. It contains 70 to 80% large sand particles. This type of soil is highly porous with a lot of air present in it. This soil is not able to retain much water. Sandy soil dries quickly in the presence of air and sun. Okay, first of all I will tell you this sandy soil you will find near the river embankment. Okay, river embankment means the side of the riverside area. Okay, and the second point is that sandy, the word comes from sand. Okay, that sand we are using for making this building and all, right, concrete walls and all, and this soil is good for vegetation. Okay, and here one point is written. Okay, this it is not able to retain much water. Okay, not able to retain much water. Clear? So try to read out this point first. Okay, you have written these 3 points. Okay, it founds near the water embankment, or can say river embankment. It is good for vegetation and not able to retain much water. Okay, because it is highly porous. Okay, porous means what? You will find sand particles. Sand particles if water, okay, if water falls on this sand, or you can say on this soil, then it absorbs water. It absorbs water. Understood? Clear? And not able to retain much water. That's why if you can see, you can try at your home also. Suppose you have a lot of sandy soil, okay, nearby your house, and you take one bucket of water and just throw on that, okay, what you'll find, it will not, okay, give you out the muddy, okay, you'll not get this muddy types of soil, okay. You'll find that after certain times or initially, okay, then and then only you can see that the water is vanished, okay, because it absorbs the water. Understood? So this is all about the sandy soil. And the second point is that clay soil. Please read out the points what is written here. Clay soil has high percentage of clay particles and very less sand. Yes, it is made up of many tiny and fine particles. It becomes heavy and sticky when it dries. Clay soil, see, clay soil, you will find so this is what, this is your well, okay, you can say in your own words kua, okay, this is a well. And you can see when people used to dig the earth, okay, dig the earth, so when they will go, or you can say when they reach down to the earth bottom, you'll find some, okay, this white and black mix, okay, white black mix type of soil, okay, that is called clay soil. Understood? Yes, we can probably see, suppose there is a big hill, okay, big hill, and with the JCB, and with that JCB, they used to break this, they used to cut down the hills, right? So from the inner core of the hill, okay, you can say you'll find out this clay soil, okay, this white black mixture of soils, okay, so that is called clay soil. And it is not good for vegetation, okay, it is not good for vegetation. It is mainly useful for making pots, okay, cup, and this pots, cup, and anything that has been made from this clay soil, okay. You can say this what you call, yeah, I think tiles, right? Yes, these tiles, this tiles company also, they are using this clay, okay, for the hardness of the tiles. So because they used to mix the clay, then this sand, then this limestone, okay, with that mixture they used to make these tiles, okay. So many things you can consider by which you can make this utensil or anything, not utensil, you can say these usable things, okay, that you can make from this clay soil, and it is not used for any kind of vegetation or any kind of this flowering plants, okay, you can say. And the last one is loamy soil, okay. The loamy soil, so please read it. Loamy soil is a rich soil consisting of a mixture of clay and sand. It mixes with decayed plants. This type of soil is best for growing plants. This soil has a lot of humus and can hold enough water in its particle, okay. And this is very rich nutrients soil, okay, and it is very good also. It is they are telling that is a rich soil consisting of a mixture of clay and sand, okay. It means what? It is good for both vegetation, okay, any gardening or any useful things, okay. If you want to make any things, suppose the first point you can write, it is good for gardening, okay, good for plantation, okay. These are the two major points, you can note it down, okay. And loamy soil you will not find everywhere, right? Most probably you will find these village place, right? You'll find, because in village place you will see these farmers, they use they agriculture, okay, they agriculture this gardening, they agriculture this plantation, okay, gardening in terms of flowers, fruits, so on, and plantation any kind of vegetables items, okay. This gourd, then pumpkin, okay, and so on. Please try to relate, okay. So if you have good quality of soil, then you can make a plantation, okay, any kind of plantation. It's not that you simply you can do for vegetation only, no, but basically, like if you go for proper vegetation, means you want huge amount in terms of quantity, right? Then in that you can consider the first point, okay, the sandy soil. That's why, like if you roam near the riverside area, that what you'll find, these farmers, right, they used to what to say, they used to plant the vegetables items, right? Okay, anyway, so this is all about the three types of soil. Next, coming to the point, soil erosion. Soil erosion, you please try to read from the textbook whatever line is given, but here I will try to explain the soil erosion in my own way, okay. Soil erosion, soil you have understood, right? And erosion means removal, okay. Suppose this is a field, okay, this is a field, and from the ground you have added more amount of soil, okay, with the help of tractor, more amount of soil with the help of tractor, okay. For what purpose? For planting rice plant, not rice plant, rice crop, okay. for planting rice crop. Then you know, like in the summer time we have these issues, right? Flood, yes or no? Yes. So what happen, in your default ground you have added more soil, right, for planting rice crop or any kind of crop, but here genuinely like I've taken this rice crop, right? Then what happened, summer times comes, right? Due to summer, what happened, rain started, okay, and after that flood comes out, okay, flood comes out with big bulks of water, okay, and what happens, it smashes everything, okay, it smashes everything, and with the force of water it takes down everything, okay, it takes down everything, and after that when this flood over your this land, okay, your land, it remains like previously how you have seen, like that it remains like that only, okay. So this is called soil erosion, means the soil is takes place, okay, the soil get changes and takes place, or you can say shifted to other side of the place, okay, this is called soil erosion. Then one more thing, this is the sand you have kept, this is the sand you have kept for constructing the building nearby the roadside, or you can say nearby your house side, okay, this is the sand you have kept. So what happened, you know, like in summer times there are also some one major issues happen, wind, okay, so suddenly wind started, and wind flows, okay, 100 km/h, the speed of air, okay, it flows in this direction, means from right to left direction. And what happened after 1 hour, what happened, you'll see whatever the sand it is placed in the land of the floor, it vanishes, okay, it vanishes. So that is called soil erosion, okay, understood? So this is all about soil erosion, but take a look once, I will read it the points. Soil erosion is a naturally occurring process on all types of land. Yes, it is such that it happens with all types of land, okay. Soil erosion occurs when the soil is blown away by the wind or washed away by the rain. It becomes a problem when human activity causes it to occur much faster than under natural condition. Cutting of trees has led to great soil erosion. Overgrazing destroy the plantation. As a result, soil becomes barren and infertile. Okay, the last point you have to note it down. The last point is the important point they have given, cutting down of trees. Cutting down of trees. This is called deforestation. Deforestation. And planting trees on a large scale is called afforestation. It's called afforestation. Okay, Cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Planting trees on a large scale is called afforestation. So if we cut down the trees, then it leads to soil erosion.